Okay, let's talk about the difference between Candida yeast and fungal Candida because there's a huge difference. Candida yeast is beneficial to the body. Fungal Candida is eating you alive. You have to know what you're working with so that you can apply the proper protocol. Okay, so Candida yeast is a single-celled organism. It lives in your digestive tract, and when it's in there in healthy amounts, it's like the janitor. It scoops up heavy metals, it eats the toxins in your diet, the excess sugar, and it serves as a food source for your probiotics, your good gut bacteria. But what ends up happening due to overuse of antibiotics, over consuming starchy carbohydrates and sugars, over exposure to toxins and pesticides, all of this, basically the toxic lifestyle that we're inundated with, the yeast proliferates to such large numbers that it changes form. Candida is dimorphic. It changes form. It's like a transformer. It goes from something innocent to this evil tyrant beast that is actually consuming you alive. First thing Candida does, it builds an exoskeleton of chitin, the same stuff that ticks and lobsters and fleas are made out of, and nothing penetrates this exoskeleton. It's solid. It starts to create colonies that expand in your body, and nothing can get past it. Not the immune system, not herbs, and not your prescription antifungals. Next, what it does, it grows roots called hyphae that penetrate your gut lining, poke holes into your gut, and cause leaky gut. Then it starts to release toxins and mold spores throughout your system into your blood that actively attack your body, actively attacking your pituitary gland that is connected to your endocrine system. So your thyroid, your adrenal, your reproductive system. This is where you can start to see issues in all those areas. Then it starts to attack your liver, so that you can't actually properly detox and you become super sluggish. And then it attacks your immune system, your T cells, so then you are susceptible to infections. And so this is where Candida, the symptoms are systemic. It's full body. It can be skin, it can be digestive, it can be metabolic, it can be mental for depression, it can be, anything and everything can be connected to this fungal tyrant. And the key is to know what you're working with, because the yeast, you can shift that with digestive protocols such as cleaning out your diet and taking more probiotics. But a fungal infection, you cannot fix with the diet alone. You need a chitin enzyme inhibitor, and that's what our protocol is. We use lufeneron, which is for pharmaceutical grade lufeneron, and it is a chitin enzyme inhibitor. So your own body goes, so that exoskeleton can crumble and your own body can go in there and finally get rid of the infection. So if you have Candida, connect with us. Come to candidacleanser.com. We have a Facebook support group. We are so happy to support you on this journey. So you know what to do. Come visit us.